Hi, this is Damien Foley, and this is my MBA journey at the Melbourne Business School. So, just completed week one of term two, back doing two subjects. So I'm doing financial management and financial accounting. So I just do a bit of a recap over those. So had the first class for management accounting financial management on the Monday last week, and financial accounting on the Tuesday. Financial accounting, it's proving to have a lot of work involved. There's a lot of pre-class work to be done prior to it. We've got the TA sessions that we have, so tutorial assisted sessions on the Saturday at from 11:30 to about 1 p.m. or thereafter. And prior to that, for financial management, I've got a tutorial assisted session as well that goes from 8:30 to 10:30. So there's only an hour break between those, so it's about a 3.5 hours worth of tutorial sessions on the Saturday in the morning and early afternoon. So going through those, I'm actually surprisingly enjoying the online delivery for financial accounting. It's actually done very well here for Melbourne Business School. They have indicated that they did prepare most of this to be put on for financial accounting, be put online as an online course prior to, so it's already been established or set up for it. So that did put them ahead of probably some other subjects or courses at the uni at Melbourne Business School that probably not online, and therefore they've had to put something together for it. So the financial accounting online course for the subject is very well set out, and the videos are pretty good. They're really good actually. For the ones that are being delivered by the teacher or lecturer that's delivering those for us. I've also got financial management. We had the session for it, which is, I'll repeat, that's more around financial management at the moment, more around the financial mathematics side. So dealing with corporations around their financing activities. Such as use of bonds, maturity dates, coupon rates, annuities, present value, face value, or future value, I should say. So all those different terminology. So around that. So yes, I've done so far all the requirements to lodge the assessments that are due. There's periodic assessments that are due for each of those classes or subjects. So lodging those and getting them done. There's different ones that are also put together group study groups. So they do help. Obviously, it depends on who's in your classes. I'm finding, even though I've done accounting in the back, like previously when I was at uni, that was half a year ago for me. So that was 20 odd years ago. So terminologies have changed. There's different reporting ways of reporting things on financial statements and the financial statements themselves. So I'm having to learn all those as well. Terminology has changed a bit as well. So learning all that or reviewing some of that as well, catching up on some what it is. It's a different approach to financial accounting. It's not about, and we just had a help session then where the tutorial assistant said, we're not being taught how to become accountants, we're being taught how to understand financial statements. So, and read those, understand them, articulate, and be able to hold a conversation and with around financial matters when reading financial reports and so forth. So it's a different approach. I would be coming usually as the accountant. You'll be coming from the bottom end with the transactions, actually processing those, converting them, translating them, and creating the reports. Whereas the reports have pretty much already been done. You're actually coming from the other side and deep diving into them around the notes and finding the information that way. So that's the difference. Yeah, so obviously this is still learning from home because of COVID-19. We've still got basically isolation, ISO, happening here in Melbourne. I did go and get a haircut on the Thursday, and I was talking to a small business owner, the barber, and he basically said here in the CBD that he's open 2 days a week, and on one of those days, he only had two people come in to get a haircut. So um, this is going to have a bit of an impact on a lot of businesses, especially small business. So yeah, it's all being played out. So it's interesting to watch from the perspective of studying the MBA, but doing both financial accounting and financial management. Probably a bit more financial management at this point in time, and how that's going to understanding of doing that. So that subject or these subjects, and applying to what's going on in the current economic environment. There's obviously the health side of what's going on with COVID-19, but there's also the wealth side that's going on with COVID-19. So that's having an economic impact on business, not just here in Australia, but all around the world. So doing this course or these subjects are going to be interesting from the perspective of looking at what's currently happening right now in the business world or in the world in general when it comes to markets and decisions around how to address the economic issues that this has created. So yes, okay, I'm going to sign off. I will drop another video after this for after doing my financial management class for week 2. So I'm signing off. This is Damien Foley. You can follow me at YouTube at Damien Foley. Website www.damienfoley.com/MBA. LinkedIn Damien Foley 1. Facebook Damien Foley Official. Instagram DG Foley. So all good. Catch us on the other side. Thanks. Bye.